_init_ for unittest.TestCase. I'd like to add a couple of things to what the unittest.TestCase class does upon being initialized, but I can't figure out how to do it. Right now I'm doing this. I'd like all the stubs to be generated only once for this entire set of tests. I can't use setup class because I'm working on Python 2.4. I haven't been able to get that working on Python 2.7 either. What am I doing wrong here? I get this error. And other errors when I move all of the stub code into _init_ when I run it with the command python unittest vtest.
Try this. You are overriding the test cases _init_, so you might want to let the base class handle the arguments for you.
Just wanted to add some clarifications about overriding the init function of. The function will be called before each method in your test class. Please note that if you want to add some expensive computations that should be performed once before running all test methods, please use the setup class method. This function will be called once before all test methods of the class. See setup for a method that is called before each test method.
Install unittest2 and use that package's unittest. And then use the setup module, teardown module or setup class, teardown class for special initialization logic. More info, this URL. Also most likely you are creating an integration test more than an unittest. Choose a good name for the tests to differentiate them or put in a different container module.